Mabuhay! Welcome again to my YouTube channel. Um, I will be vlogging starting today. I will show you my daily lives, kung paano po ako, paano yung magiging routine ko since first day ko ng parang vacation, kinda self-isolation. I temporary close my daycare na po just to be safe and for the safety of my daycare families too. So I decided to close it. And kasi yung asawa ko po nag-work na sa home remotely. So mas maganda na mag-close na dahil may dalawa akong maliit na bata na kailangan kong i-take care of at saka kailangan kong i-keep yung safety nila. So, I decided to close the daycare. Now, pagtutuunan ko ng pansin sila, asawa ko, at ang YouTube channels ko. Check out nyo rin po ang Hooray Childcare Gurus. Marami kayong malalaman doon sa channel na yon. It's regarding childcare. So, anyways, back to vlogging. May nag-request po na maybe try ko pong mag-Taglish ng mas marami pa, mag-Tagalog, para mas marami akong ma-attract na viewers at mas maraming makaintindi sa akin. Kasi hindi naman lahat, first language na is English. Minsan, ako din po, hindi naman language ko is Tagalog or English. Ang first language ko is Kapampangan, and not a lot of people are alam nilang magkapampangan. So, medyo torn ako, tatlo ang language ko. Kaya, bear with me po. Sana maintindihan nyo kung nag-i-English ako sometimes, Tagalog, or hopefully, hindi ako magkapampangan kasi hindi naman lahat kayo makakaintindi nun. But anyways, today's vlog will be clean with me. Clean with my children. Ang plan ko is to rearrange, clean up everything, and I'll walk you through dito sa bahay namin, and para ma-rearrange ko ng maayos para sa mga anak ko at para sa asawa at sarili ko, na makuha namin yung daily routine namin kahit wala akong trabaho right now, and dito nag-work si hubby. So, let's get started. Ito ang dining room. So, ang plano ko is put this plants dun sa living room, and this is the living room right now. Ayan ang situation right now. So, ang plan ko is put the two tables there for me and for my child and Luna's area. This is my view while she's my helper. Ate is just eating because she's a bit sick.
So, ang unang ginagawa kapag naglilinis ako is setting aside yung mga stuff or things na kailangan ko i-set aside bago ko ilipat yung mga dapat kong ilipat. So, nag-i-start ako maglinis palagi sa lugar na malaki, which is yung living room, at saka gustong-gusto kong nakikitang malinis pang unang-una ang living room namin. So, I started there and setting aside all these plants muna. Tapos, kukunin ko tong console. So, itong soil kong to na pinakilaman ni Luna, kaya may mga soil sa labas, meron ka pag nililinis mo to, dapat separated, dapat meron kang cloth and then throw it away, kasi hindi pwedeng gamitin mo ulit yung cloth na ginamit mo for soil, hindi safe. Next would be eto, meron akong helper dito. Luna is been such a good helper, and Yuki as well. So excuse me with my big butt. But ako lagi kong ini-encourage yung mga anak ko kapag naglilinis ako, sinasali ko sila para naman makita nila na mas mahalaga, na mas masarap sa pakiramdam ang malinis sa environment.
Hey guys, I just finished my living room po. Pagod na ako. Siguro I'll finish the rest later. And pahinga muna ako. Kwentuhan muna tayo. Ang gulo ng hair ko. To be continued na lang yung living room tsaka kitchen, no? I-edit ko na to para naman makita nyo kung ano yung before and after nitong living room. Yeah, kasi marami pa tayong time para magkwentuhan. This is the final look. The last table there. Yuki has her work there. Ayan, this is my table. Make today amazing. Yay! Love it! Nice! Comment down below kung nagustuhan niyo yung setup ng living room namin. And I'll see you next video. Continuation. Bye! Subscribe for good vibes. Thank you. Bye. Say bye, guys.